This video will look at an alternative method to adding a roof, this being the Roof Generator tool, which is an ideal tool for those wishing to produce more complicated roof structures without the need for manual editing. As with the other roof method, it is best to be in the Architectural Roof Modeling pair. To add the sketch roof itself, go to the Roofs menu in the Modeling tab and go to the Roof Generator. Again, there is an option for defining overhangs and roof types, as well as options for different methods for adding the eave line. For example, click the Truss button to set up the parameters for this roof. The parameters are the same for the Roof Generator as the traditional method. However, there are also parameters under the Special Roofs tab for adding in mansard and barn hip end roofs. If the Help button is clicked, this brings up a helpful diagram for the different parameters. First, select the material code that will allow you to select a roof type from the pre-existing library. Note that others can be added but will be in a separate video in this series. This will automatically change the top quad field. Next, the pitch can be altered, making sure that the value entered has a capital A suffix. Fascia height can also be changed to suit. Next, we define the various height and overhang parameters. The first will be the top light height that the roof will sit on. Either type this value manually if known, or simply click the Get button to choose from the 3D or 2D models. It is easier to select from the 3D, now simply choose the wall and the plate height field will change accordingly. Next, we have a set of 3 values that need 2 defining before using the Calculate button on the third to define that value, which is based on all the parameters previously set up for this roof. For instance, if an overhang value is defined here, and then an over the wall height value defined here, then press Calculate next to the Eave height field to obtain the correct value. Once defined as required, click OK to begin adding the eave line. The eave line for the sketch roof can be quickly added just by clicking walls and continuing to click walls around the building in a clockwise direction. Then confirm once defined. A sketch roof will then be added. It is best to edit the gables in 2D, noting that you cannot edit the sketch roof without using commands from the Roof Generator right-click contextual options. These are accessed by first selecting the sketch roof, then a right-click on one of the grip points allows you to control the gable type, or add in hip, mansard or Dutch ends to the sketch roof based on previously defined parameters. There is also a command for removing gables altogether. For example, this sketch roof could be converted to gable ends by first using the Remove Gable command on this edge here, then using the Gable command on these 2 edges. The final step is to then convert the sketch roof into actual roof slopes by first selecting the sketch roof, right-clicking, and Convert Surfaces to Roof. Note that when this operation is complete, it will not be possible to add in or remove further gables. This concludes our video on the Roof Generator. Thank you for watching.